Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off our louder vibrations mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for vibration options in our phone, we have to go to settings, of course, and under sounds and vibration, when we scroll a little bit down, we have vibration intensity. And at the bottom we have a special little option to make our vibrations a little bit louder by playing a sound while it vibrates. So to turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and now our extra loud vibration is turned off. No need to save, back out, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.